Hello, hello! Today we're making a secretly healthy pumpkin pie. For this recipe, we're going to need a blender. In it, we're going to dump in 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, a 13.5 ounce can of full-fat coconut milk, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, a half a cup of brown sugar, 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Finally, once it's all blended together, we're going to drop in our essential oils. 1 drop of doTERRA cinnamon essential oil, 2 drops of doTERRA clove essential oil, 2 drops of doTERRA ginger essential oil. Blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. Next, we're going to pour our mix into a par-baked pie crust and then carefully slide it into the oven, remembering that we're basically moving something with the consistency of slightly thick milk. We're gonna let it bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 27 minutes. Don't worry, when time is up, it is still going to look underdone. We're still on track. We're then going to let it refrigerate uncovered for at least 2 hours for it to thicken and set. Once it is done, feel free to slice it up and serve it with whipped cream as much as you want because it's healthy pie. That's how it works, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video, but in the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!